Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on ApeCoin. The ticker is Ape. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. If we take a look at the weekly chart, we are looking at Ape over USDT, weekly chart on Kraken. We see that things look really bullish. We have a bullish divergence going on the weekly chart, both on the MACD and the RSI. So things look amazing when it comes to the weekly chart. If we zoom in to the daily chart, we see that the price action is currently moving below this 200-day simple moving average. What I want to see out of ApeCoin in the coming weeks or months is I want this 200-day simple moving average to start sloping upwards. And I want the price action to break above it and start bouncing on top of it. This is going to be really bullish. But for now, I am not willing to buy ApeCoin at these levels, guys, because I am not sure what the price action is going to do next. Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody knows what's going to happen. So what I am doing with this is I am waiting to see what the price action is going to do next. We gotta have a plan no matter what happens, since we don't know what's going to happen, right? So plan A, if the price action pulls back, I am watching for a bounce at this key level of support that's located at 0.3743. This is a very strong support because, as you see, back in early April of 2025, when the price action pulled back, we saw a very nice bounce here. So if the price action pulls back again, we might see another bounce at this key level of support. So if plan A plays out and we see a pullback, I am watching for a bounce here. I am going to buy the bounce and set up a stop loss right below this, because if the price action loses this support, guys, things are going to turn bearish. And at least in my view, there is no point of holding downtrends. We can take a small loss right here and move on to the next trade. If you want to find trading setups like this, make sure that you join my free Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups, news, ideas about many different altcoins, AI, meme coins, gaming, DeFi, tipping, all that good stuff. So if you want to be able to see what trading setups other successful traders are looking at every single day, make sure that you click the link in the description below and join us on Telegram. So if plan A plays out, I am watching for a bounce at this key level of support at 37 cents. If plan B plays out, which is the price action pumping and breaking above the 200-day simple moving average, but also above this key level of resistance that's located at 0.8525, I am going to buy the break above this resistance. If we clear this resistance, things are going to be way easier for ApeCoin to start moving higher. The next target after this resistance that I have here on the chart is located at $1.23. The measured move from this breakout to this target, that's a 45% move. The next target is located at $1.62. The measured move from the breakout to the second target, that's a 91% move. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at $1.95. That's a 130% move approximately. Now, let me show you this, guys. If plan A plays out, things are going to turn kind of bearish in the short term, and nobody's going to be willing to buy ApeCoin if we see some red on the charts. But don't let these pullbacks scare you guys, because these can potentially be amazing buying opportunities if you play it right. Look at this. I showed you earlier that the measured move from the break above this resistance to this last target that I have here on the chart is approximately 130%. If you buy the bounce right on this support that's located at 37 cents, and the price action bounces and pumps all the way up to this key resistance again, that's approximately the same move, 130%. This is why we love pullbacks like this in this channel, guys. We are wolves. We buy fear. We buy red. Also, look at this, guys. A measured move from this bounce to this last target that I have here on the chart, that's over a 428% move, over a 4x move. I'll tell you the truth, guys. I hope that the price action pulls back. I hope that plan A plays out so I can accumulate some more ApeCoin all the way down here. If you are not hoping for the same, then that means that you are not doing things right. And I'm saying this with love, guys. You gotta learn how to love these pullbacks. So these are the short-term targets that I have here for ApeCoin. You might think that a 400% move is too much or a 130% move is too much, but if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, we see that ApeCoin has a market capitalization of 552 million. Therefore, This is not a heavy token, guys, just a little bit of liquidity to flow into ApeCoin, and ApeCoin can pull at least a 130% move easily. It's not a big deal. But for those of you who want me to share a few price predictions for this bull run, if we see an altcoin season, I expect ApeCoin to pass this price target that I have here on the chart that's close to $2. If we see an altcoin season, we might see ApeCoin pumping all the way to $4.31. And this is a conservative price prediction. This is a 500% move from the current price levels. If we see a full-blown altcoin season, guys, look at this. ApeCoin is currently at range lows. And this is what we do in this channel. We buy range lows, we sell range highs. So if we see a full-blown altcoin season again, ApeCoin might pump all the way to $10. That's approximately a measured move of 13x from the current price levels. If ApeCoin was to pump all the way up to that previous all-time high, this is below than the all-time high that we saw back in 2022, but it's very, very close. That's at $20.33. The measured move approximately from the current price levels, that's a 27% move. I know some people are going to say that this is impossible, this cannot happen, and this and that, but honestly, guys, this is not impossible, no matter how you look at it. This is what happens during a full-blown altcoin season. I know that ApeCoin, in order to reach that $20 price target, needs to have a 15 billion market cap, which sounds crazy, but it's totally not impossible, okay? And ApeCoin hasn't experienced a full-blown altcoin season yet. This is the first time if we see an altcoin season. These are the tokens that we want to be in, guys. These tokens that have never experienced a full-blown altcoin season before have tremendous potential. Nobody knows how high they can run. But that doesn't mean anything because they can also go to zero. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for ApeCoin for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish on it? I really want to know what you guys think. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. Again, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button because it helps with the algorithm if you like this video. And make sure that you click the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups, because in the coming weeks or months, I am going to post updates on these. And you don't want to miss out. I am going to share my updated price predictions, new Fibonacci price levels of support and resistance, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.